Hey, what's going on, everybody? So you see this desk behind me. I'm going to show you in a moment just how amazing this thing is. So let's check this thing out and look at all the functions that it has. And you can make an executive decision whether or not you want this for your home. Let's check this out. So the first thing that caught my attention about this desk, it allows me to have several drawer functions. Now, these are those cloth drawers. Initially, I was hesitant, but I like them because you can put a lot of your items in it. Comes with these hard bottoms that you can actually remove. As you can see here, the little tab. They slide in and out, and they give you 3 on the bottom, 1 here, and then 1 over there. Another feature that I like about this desk is you can see that they broke the desktop up into 4 pieces that mount together with hardware on the underside. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all come together to make 1 desktop. Another very nice feature is this LED light that comes with it. Now, I have it currently set for green. Now, this light does not come with a remote control. What it does come with is a little pamphlet that shows you how to download the LED lamp app, and it works perfectly. You have all kind of functions, which I'm going to show you real quick right here in the video. So as I was just saying, this is the app that'll be on your phone when you click the QR code or search it and download it onto your phone, Android or iOS. This is what the app looks like. It's super easy to operate. As you can see, it has a brightness adjustment bar. It also has different colors, so whatever color you want the light to be. It also has a separate brightness bar for what they call white dim, and it has these different modes that you can do. You can use gradient. If you look through the list here, you can see a whole bunch of different types of ways the light can actually move while you're using it. It just has a lot of features. My favorite feature is the fact that you can actually attach it to your playlist on your phone, and the light will move to whatever's on your playlist. It has a lot of features, so whatever color you like, that's the one you can choose. As you can see, I have it set on gradient, which allows it to stay on blue right now for a few seconds, then it will eventually slowly switch. As you can see, it's now switching to purple. It was green a moment ago, and I like this little setup here. It comes with 1, 2, 3 outlets. This plug in here is actually what operates the desk. That's my favorite feature, which I'm going to get to in a moment. And it actually has this USB plug-in, and it also has a USB-C plug-in as well on the bottom. Like I said, for me, this took me, I don't know, about 3.5 hours to put it together. Wasn't difficult at all. It comes with these 3 shelves here, so if you have a computer, monitor, you can set there your books or whatever you want to stack up here. It has several places for you to put it. And what I like about these drawers here is these drawers in the back, they actually have these stops so that these actually act as drawers. They don't go any further than that, which I thought that was kind of cool. Now, my favorite feature that a lot of people don't realize, this desk actually raises and lowers. It has different memory settings in it, and I'm going to go over briefly what all these little buttons do. Just to give you a little bit of an idea as to how the buttons work. This is your up button. This is your down button. Push this. As you can see, it will raise the desk. You push this, it will lower the desk. Now, in this mode, you can actually adjust it to whatever height you want it set at. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom, but I actually have mine set with 2 of the memory buttons. So for example, I do a lot of content. So when I make videos, I want to be able to record and I want to have something to stand behind. So watch what happens when I press M2. I already have it preset so that it takes it to a standing height for me to use it for my content creation. And all you got to do is once you get the table set to the height that you want it, you just hold the button in for 5 seconds and it will save it at the height that you have it at. It also has a child lock built into it as well. All you would need to do is press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously like this. Press them together simultaneously for 5 seconds. And once you see the LOC show up right here, the system is locked and it can't be operated. Because I'm telling you right now, if you have young kids, I'm telling you right now, their kids are going to want to play with this thing. So make sure if you're having it in an area where the kids have access, make sure you use the lock function. So we're going to lower this back down. Now my first setting, which is the M1 or the memory 1 button, is just the standard height for just sitting at my desk. So all in all, there's 6 different menu options. You have a minimum height setting, you have a maximum height setting, you have a basic height setting, and then my favorite is you have an upward anti-collision sensitivity and a downward anti-collision sensitivity. And that's just to keep this from smacking into something on its way up or smacking into something on its way down. So if you guys are looking for a very unique desk for maybe your kids or your teens, or maybe if it's just for you, because most of us, as we get older, I'm getting older, in our older age, sitting for long periods of time can be kind of hard on the back. So sometimes it's nice to be able to stand and use your desk in that mode. So if I'm sitting at my desk, which right now this is at the chair level, and I push this button here, this thing will raise all the way up to my height. Let's watch as it comes into view. I love this thing. This is amazing. It just plugs into a standard 110, 120 outlet. Works great. Like I said, it worked great. So now I'm standing. I'm actually 5'9". I'm standing with the desk up. Now you can see the room I'm in. See how high it came up off the floor? And then we're going to lower it one more time. Go back down to memory setting 1. Let's watch it go back down to the floor. This thing is amazing. So again, if you're in the market for a good desk, maybe something for your kid as they're getting ready to go off to college, or your teenager for their room, or just if it's just for you, click the link, check it out. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Super lightweight, now this area which the desk is in is about a 6-foot wall, maybe just a hair bigger than 6 feet. So you can see the desk fits within this area. So I don't know exactly how long that is, but I would say this desk is about 6 feet long. So if you're thinking about purchasing it, make sure that you have enough space on the wall that you're thinking about putting it so that it'll fit perfectly. All right, that's all I got. Click the link, check it out. Hopefully you will be as impressed with this desk as I was.